Most people will work 40+ years of their life, wake up at the same time every morning, sit in the same traffic, and retire sometime around 65 if they're lucky. But there's a small group of people who figured something out early, and by 45, sometimes even younger, they never have to work again. The difference between these two groups isn't luck. It isn't a high salary. It's one simple concept that most people were never taught in school. And once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Part 1. The problem. Here's the harsh reality. Most people think they're doing everything right, working hard, saving a little, but the system was never designed to make them financially free. They spend almost everything they earn, and the little they do save sits in a bank account earning almost nothing. So, after 40 years of working, they have just enough to get by. No freedom, no options, and it's not because they didn't work hard. It's because nobody told them the rules of the game. Part 2. The concept. The people who retire at 45 aren't gambling on crypto. They're not stock market geniuses. They're following a system, and that system has a name. FIRE. Financial Independence, Retire Early. And the math behind it is simpler than you think. It's built on one number, called your FIRE number. That's the total amount of money you need invested so that you never have to work again. Here's how you calculate it. Take your yearly expenses and multiply by 25. So if you spend $40,000 a year, your FIRE number is $1 million. That's it. Once you hit that number, you can withdraw 4% every year, and statistically, your money will never run out. This is called the 4% rule, and it's backed by decades of market research. Your investments become your salary. Part 3. The math. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's look at two people. Person A earns $60,000 a year, saves 10%, invests it in index funds, and starts at 25. They hit their FIRE number right around 65. Person B earns the exact same $60,000, but they save 40% and invest aggressively from age 25. They hit their FIRE number at 45. Same income. 20 years difference. The gap isn't the salary, it's the savings rate. The higher your savings rate, the faster time becomes your weapon instead of your enemy. Part 4. What to do. So how do you actually start? 3 steps. Step 1. Calculate your FIRE number. Take your monthly expenses, multiply by 12, then multiply by 25. That's your target. Step 2. Increase your savings rate. Even going from 10% to 20% dramatically cuts your timeline. Cut one expense, increase one income stream. Step 3. Invest consistently in low-cost index funds. S&P 500 index funds have averaged around 10% annually over the last 50 years. You don't need to pick stocks. You just need to stay in the game. The people retiring at 45 aren't smarter than you. They just learned this stuff early and started. You now know exactly what they know. The difference between people who retire at 45 and everyone else is that they start before they feel ready. But here's the thing. Saving and investing is only one side of the equation. The other side is making more money in the first place. And if you want to see how people are doing that right now, watch this video.